Hi, I'm Andy White, your lifestyle property specialist. Today at 173 Waterfall Gully Road, Waterfall Gully, we've got something unique to be able to show you today. This is one of those that you renovate and reap the rewards with over 400 square metres underneath the main roof, including a 4-car garage and workshop on 5,100 square metres. This is something you can't afford to miss out on. These living areas are so expansive, commanding spectacular views in that rural setting, but you're so close to the city. As you can see, everything is pretty well dated, but we've got a fantastic size built-in pantry that would make a fantastic butler's pantry. The massive master bedroom would accommodate the football team. Plus we've even got more space behind the hidden door in the robes that opens up to your ensuite. This solid brick home set on the 5,100 square metres, magnificent patio area. Could you just imagine having breakfast out here in this wilderness environment, so close to the city, overlooking the swimming pool? This one, touch me up and I'm yours. That's the heading for this property. A little bit of tender loving care and this property will respond well to anybody.